Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see who viewed and liked your Instagram highlights. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app and then open up your profile. As you can see, I got some highlights here. I can tap at any of them, let it be that one. You can see this hearts animation right there. That means that someone has liked this highlight, but I can't see the exact users who did that. But if I open up this highlight, as you can see, that shows me the activity, and now I can check it. I can see the insights for that highlight, and I can see at that eye icon to see all the users who saw that highlights, and by that heart icon on the profile picture I can identify that this user has liked this highlight. The key here is that this highlight is taken from my current and active story, and while this story is active I can check that statistics, that data for that specific highlight. After this story is not active, I wouldn't be able to get this information, just like in that case. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.